Hello everyone, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we're going to see how to make mutton pepper fry, which will be very delicious and flavorful. So let's get started with this interesting mutton recipe. So for this recipe, I've taken here around half kg of boneless mutton, which has been cut into medium portions like this. And now I'm going to marinate them by adding a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, some salt as per taste, then goes half teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder, and lots of freshly crushed black pepper as we are making mutton pepper fry. Alright, and now we will mix all the ingredients well so that they are well combined with the mutton. And we will let this rest for half an hour. And here I have taken some whole spices like 2 small cinnamon sticks or Dalchini, 3 green cardamoms or Elaichi, 1 teaspoon of black pepper or kali mirch as we want a good peppery flavor in our mutton pepper fry. Then here I have taken half teaspoon of cumin seeds or Zeera, 1/4 teaspoon of coriander seeds or Dhaniya, 1/4 teaspoon of fennel seeds or Saunf, and 3 cloves or long. And now we need to dry roast them. For that, heat a kadhai and into it we will add the whole spices, and on medium flame we will dry roast them until they start to crackle and turn aromatic. So this is done, and now I will grind them into a coarse powder. Then here I have taken 2 large onions which has been thinly sliced, 4 large garlic pods which has been finely chopped, which almost equals to 2 tablespoons, and 1 tablespoon of finely chopped ginger. Next, heat a pressure cooker and into it we'll add 1 tablespoon of mustard oil. And when the oil is hot, we will add the marinated mutton pieces into the pressure cooker. And now on medium to high flame, we will fry the mutton for at least 4 to 5 minutes until the color changes and water starts to release. And here you can see the mutton has released its water. And now we will fry for another 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame. And now I will add just a splash of water, say around 2 tablespoons. We'll mix this once. And we will pressure cook this on low to medium flame for until 3 to 4 whistles. In the meantime, we'll heat a kadhai and into it goes 1 tablespoon of mustard oil. And when the oil is hot, we will add the sliced onions. And on medium flame, we will saute the onions till they turn golden brown. And once the onions turn golden brown, we will add the chopped garlic as well as the chopped ginger. And on medium flame, we will fry the onions, ginger, garlic till they turn aromatic and deep golden brown. But now the onions, ginger, garlic has been well fried. At this stage, I will add 2 green chillies and some fresh curry leaves. And we will stir them for a few seconds. Alright. And now at this stage we will add the pressure cooked mutton. And since the mutton pieces are soft and tender now, we will just fry the mutton well on medium to high flame until oil starts to separate. And as you can see here, the water has reduced and oil has started to separate. At this stage, we will add 1 tablespoon of the spice mix which we had prepared earlier. We'll mix this well along with the mutton pieces and we'll fry for another 2 to 3 minutes. And by now, our mutton pepper fry is ready and it's smelling so good with all the flavors of fried onions, ginger, garlic, curry leaves, as well as the aroma of the spices coated well with the mutton pieces. And now time to serve them hot. And here goes our delicious mutton pepper fry in the serving plate, which you can enjoy as a side dish along with rice or even with roti, naan, kulcha. So friends, do try this delicious mutton recipe. Also share your feedbacks, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do so for more interesting and yummy recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.